Welcome to the tutorial on how to type in Roblox chat. I know this can be irritating as everyone else is texting in chat, while you can only sit there and read. As you can see here, it says, your chat settings prevent you from sending messages. Rest assured, I have a solution to your problem. Go ahead and leave the game you are in, or if you are in the home screen of Roblox, stay there. Navigate your way to the More option where you will find Settings. Click on Settings. Go to Privacy. Then go to Communication. Click Experience Chat. Turn this to Everyone. Now you have chat. If you don't have your microphone turned on and you want it on, just go to Enable Microphone, and that is how you get the microphone option in-game. Just make sure your device has a microphone. You can now go back into your game, or any game, and then test it out for yourself. If I helped fix your problem, consider subscribing as it could be your good deed for the day. Thanks for watching. Now enjoy this professional driving.